This video will show how to buy shares of Nextpower Inc. step by step, focusing on the search phrase, how to buy shares of Nextpower Inc. Nextpower Inc. operates in the renewable energy and grid storage sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NXTUS. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a regulated broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an ID and to add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NXTUS to locate the listing. Select the matching Nextpower Inc. result to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the company name and the NXTUS ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request a deposit before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.